Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to apply for a Walmart credit card. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. In order to apply for a Walmart credit card, first of all, go open up a web browser and type in Apply Walmart credit card in the search box. Once you make a search for it, go ahead and look for this link where it says Walmart credit card /earn 5% back unlimited rewards. Once you click on a link that looks like this, simply click on this apply now button. You can also check if you are approvable for a credit card. And once you get to this page, go through all the benefits of Walmart credit card and scroll all the way down and click on continue to my application. Now fill in your personal information, that is your first name, your last name, date of birth, your SSN or your individual tax ID number, and select if you are a citizen of US or not. Along with that, you will also need to enter your contact information in the respective text boxes and then select your financial information. Make sure to enter your total annual income, monthly mortgage or rent fees, and select your bank account if available. Finally, go ahead and check on the paperless communication statements, agree to the necessary terms and conditions, and finally click continue in order to continue with your application. Once your application is approved, you can use your credit card anywhere accepted. But remember that if you don't qualify for the MasterCard version, you'll automatically be considered for the Walmart Rewards card. So that is how you can easily apply for a Walmart credit card in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.